and today we're going to be learning about multiplication. Now, what is multiplication? Multiplication is simply repeated addition. So say you have the problem 5 times 3. 5 times 3 is the same as 5 plus 5 plus 5, which equals 15. Now another example would be 6 times 2. 6 times 2 is the same as 6 plus 6, which equals 12. When you're multiplying, whatever the second number is, that's how many times you're going to multiply the main primary number by. So when it's 5, seeing that it's being multiplied by 3, you're going to have 3 5s. And 6 times 2, you're going to have 2 6s. Alright. Multiplication can be done in any order. So when you're multiplying, say you have 5 times 4, which is also the same thing as 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, that's going to equal 20. Now, the multiplication can be done in any order. You can also write it as 4 times 5, which still would be the same as 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, which is also going to equal 20. All right, any questions? Everything's good? All right. Now, one major rule to remember is anything multiplied by 0 is going to be 0. So, for the first problem, we have 7 times 0. Now, what's that going to equal?
7.
No, close. Now, what's it going to be? Anything multiplied by 0 is going to be 0. All right? So, the next example. Even a big number, such as 2,341 times 0. What's that going to be?
0.
Very good. Great. All right. Also, another rule is any number multiplied by 1 is going to be itself. So, say we have 6 times 1, that's going to be 6. Now see, now 6 times 1, remember how I said is going to be the second number. That's how many times you're going to add it. Since it's only 1, that's why it would only be 6. All right? All right, give me any number.
103.
103 or 30?
103.
103. All right, even that, if we multiply it by 1, you'll still end up with that same number. All right?
So it's basically the same as multiplying it by 0?
Close. 0 would be, see how we added 5 3 times, and we added 6 2 times, and this one we added 5 together 4 times. For 0, you're going to add 7 to itself 0 times. So there is no 7 because you're multiplied by 0. All right? Now, for the 1s, you're multiplying 103 by itself 1 time. So since it's only 103 multiplied by 1, it's still going to be 103. All right. Now, when multiplying by 9s, there's a simple trick. So say we have an example of 9 times 5. What you're going to do is you're going to hold up your hands. So I'll go this way so you can do the same as me. You're going to count from left to right. And since the problem is 9 to 5, or 9 times 5, you're going to count over to your 5th finger. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And on that 5th finger, you're going to put it down, just like that. So now what you have left over is 4 fingers to the left of your finger that's down, and 5 on the right. So your answer of 9 times 5 is going to be 45. All right? Now, 9's trick only works with the numbers 1 through 10. So say you have 9 times 10, you're going to count all the way to your 10th finger and put it down. So 9 times 10, you have 9 fingers to the left of the finger that's down, and you have 0 to the right. So your answer is going to be 90. Understand? Any questions?
No.
Alright, so what did we learn today? Today we learned that multiplication is simply repeated addition. Multiplication can be done in any order. Anything multiplied by 0 is 0. Anything multiplied by 1 is itself. And we also learned the nines trick. So remember, make sure you go home and study these tonight. Pretty soon we're going to start our math fact tests. And make sure you study. Thank you.